Hello students, how are you? Dear students, in last video we discuss and also start the chapter 4 in our chemistry portion, carbon and its compound. And also in last video we discuss some information, basic information related to carbon, like that occurrence, atomic number, electronic configuration, and also mass, isobars. Dear students, today we discuss bonding in carbon covalent bond. So the atomic number of carbon is 6. Now the electronic configuration or arrange electronic in 2 4 means the first orbit maximum numbers of electron 2, second 4. So it has 4 valence electron and it can attain stability by gaining 4 electrons or losing 4 electrons, means they donate or receive the 4 numbers of electron. After that it's stable, means actually share 4 electron with other types of atom. It does not gain 4 electrons because it is difficult for the 6 proton to hold 10 electrons. It's also problem in case they receive 4 numbers of electron. So the total numbers of proton is 6 and the total numbers of electron, so it is difficult to hold. So it does not lose 4 electron because it needs a large amount of energy to lose 4 numbers of electron. Means both types of cases, when donating or receiving the electrons, both types of cases, carbons facing the problem. So it share 4 electron with other atoms to attain stability, resulting in the formation of covalent bond. So since carbon atoms need 4 electrons to attain stable, its valency is 4 and it is tetravalency. Means both types of cases, suppose they receive, it's also problem because the numbers of proton is less comparing to electron. In case they donate, it's also problem because they losses more amounts of energy. So generally they just only sharing, and where the sharing they represent tetravalency. You know that the valence electron it means valence electron means the outermost shell. Unpaired unstable numbers of electron are called valence electron. So the 4 means tetra and valence, so it's called tetravalency. So tetravalency means an atom of carbon consists 4 electron in its valence shell, so it needs 4 more electrons to complete its octet. Therefore the valency of carbon is 4. So carbon is tetravalent and the 4 valencies of carbon are usually shown by the 4 lines around the symbol of carbon, and these are directed in a space towards the 4 corners of a regular tetrahedron. So the solid line represent the valencies of carbon, like that the structure here. Suppose this is the valence electron number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is the bond 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers of electron participate or sharing by carbon, and in case this carbon react to another types of member, suppose hydrogen, so every bond places presents one hydrogen, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the tetravalency. So formation of covalent bond. Covalent bond is a chemical bond formed by the sharing electrons between atoms. So the sharing of one pair of electron result in the formation of single covalent bond. Sharing of two pair of electron result in the formation of double covalent bond, and sharing of 3 pairs of electron result in the formation of triple bond. Means how many numbers of electrons sharing to both types of atom. This is the covalent bond formation. In case single, it's called single covalent bond. Double means both types of atom sharing two numbers of electron, so it's called double covalent bond. In case both types of atom sharing three numbers of electron, it is called tetra or tri covalent bond. For example, in single covalent bond, for example, hydrogen and hydrogen. So two types of hydrogen atom combine to each other and make hydrogen molecules. So here both types of atoms sharing single numbers of electron. So it's a single covalent bond. Suppose double. So double means, for example, oxygen. For example, oxygen. So here the oxygen, two numbers of electron are shared to each elements. And suppose nitrogen. So both types of nitrogen atoms are shared three numbers of electron and present one also lone pair to both types of atom. Same as usual in oxygen. Suppose oxygen, the total numbers of electron is 8. Electronic configuration according to Bohr-Bury is 2 6. Both types of atom means 6 is a valence electron of oxygen. So this 6 valence electron, 2 electrons shared to covalent bond to each atom. So the remaining numbers of electron present to each oxygen atom is 4. That means present 2 lone pair. And same as usual in nitrogen, the total numbers of electron is 7. According to electronic configuration, the value are 2525. So here 3 numbers of electron are shared to both nitrogen atom and present one lone pair to each numbers of nitrogen atom. Just see here example, formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecules, like that S2. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so its electronic arrangement is 1. It has one valence electron. It needs one electron more to attain stable. So the two hydrogen atoms share one pair of electron, resulting in the formation of a single covalent bond in hydrogen molecules S2. Here this is the one hydrogen atom and this is the electron sign. This is the second hydrogen atom and this is the electron sign. So here both hydrogen atom are participate and this is the total numbers of electron to sharing and formation this types of bond. This bond is called single covalent bond, and after that this hydrogen, single hydrogen atom are participate and make a hydrogen molecules. Clear? And dear students, next video we discuss two another types of formation of double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Okay, thank you.